Cabin 8109.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
This is a deluxe balcony cabin. Walking in, you can see just how spacious this cabin is. On the back of the door is the safety placard. On the wall, you can see the thermostat, the do not disturb switch, the power switch, and also a switch for the lights. Also, you can see on the wall is a mirror to help you get dressed in the morning. Next to that, you will find the restroom. Walking into the restroom, you can see the glass shower door and also how beautiful the restroom is. The one thing I didn't like about the restroom was how cramped it was. This had to be one of the smallest restrooms I've seen at sea. In the shower, they had the standard body wash and also shampoo. To the left, you can see this long desk, plenty of room, plenty of storage. Underneath the desk, they had a mini bar, which was also a little refrigerator. If you take anything out the mini bar, be prepared to pay a hefty price. Here you have a little stool that you can use while you're sitting at the desk. Next to the phone, you have two 220 volts outlets and a USB outlet. Next to that, you have two 110 outlets. The television was somewhat small, but it had plenty of channels. Next to the bed, you had a light switch for the cabin and also a little reading light. A little storage area also. In this cabin, you had a couch. It had a little wear and tear on it. It might be time to update the couch in this cabin. In the closets, you can see the safe and a few shelves and drawers for storage. The other side of the closet, you had a little more storage space. The bed was two twins pushed together. They were firm, but I like firm mattresses. Very comfortable mattresses. On the left side of the bed, another light switch and another lamp for reading. As you can see, it's a very deep balcony. This is a deluxe balcony, and I can see why. But you can also see why it's an obstructed view. The lifeboat, it blocks off the lower viewing level. As you can see, it doesn't block off a whole lot, but I definitely would want a discounted price for this cabin if I did get it.
Boom.